आप डिनर नहीं करती ना? तो आज हम इसका मेन्यू बना रहे हैं डिनर का। नो मोर एग इन अ डे।
Why? No boiled egg.
On Wednesday you have to try our food, okay? Why?
No.
No. जो भी उस दिन पका होगा you have to eat it.
Promise, I already promised everything.
Hello Ali.
Hello.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अच्छा ओके जी, आलीन आज बताएंगी कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। ये हम लिस्ट बना रहे हैं। किस चीज़ की बना रहे हैं आलीन?
Food.
फूड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड?
I have soup noodles and
नो एक्चुअली आलीन जो है वो डिनर नहीं करती है। ऊपर देखिए, आप डिनर नहीं करती ना? आलीन डिनर नहीं करती है, सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट करती है और डिनर में कुछ भी नहीं खाती। तो आज हम इसका मेन्यू बना रहे हैं डिनर का, और जो आलीन मेन्यू में बताएगी वो आलीन फिर खाएगी। ओके? यू हैव टू ईट इट।
okay.
There are days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And on Monday, she's gonna have noodles, soupy noodles.
Soupy noodle.
Okay. On Tuesday, tell me.
Tuesday. Wait. Let me think.
Okay.
Oh, I know. Boiled egg and
Not egg because you already had egg in the breakfast, so no more egg in a day.
why? No boiled egg.
I know, but no more eggs. More than one.
Okay.
One egg is enough for kids. Okay, let me give you some options. You can have a burger, homemade burger. Okay, you can have
Homemade burger.
on Tuesday.
Yeah. Homemade burger and
Okay, ji, there will be
homemade burger then. Next.
burger. Okay, next is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday you're gonna try one new thing. जो भी घर में पका होगा you have to try it.
I know. Already told me.
Yeah, I know, but still on Wednesday you have to try our food. Okay? Why?
No.
You promised me to do this.
Not your food. What's homemade burger and what's
No,
Options.
there is one day.
okay? Your I never tried your food. I don't like your food.
That's why I'm asking you to try this food,
Which
because you should try the new things as
food?
well.
What is your food?
Like anything can be. There can be vegetable and roti. There can be rice. There can be biryani.
Rice.
No, जो भी उस दिन पका होगा you have to eat it. Otherwise ये चीजें आपको नहीं मिलेंगी. No burger, no noodles, no pasta, nothing. So you have to promise me that on
Mama,
Wednesday.
can I have homemade pizza?
Yeah, you can have, but first you need to promise me that on Wednesday you gonna try our food.
Okay, I promise.
Done?
Okay, done.
आप promise कर रही हैं वीडियो में?
Promise.
Okay, good. ठीक है जी. अच्छा जी. Wednesday home food, whatever it will be.
Now, homemade.
Okay, next Thursday
Homemade pizza.
homemade pizza.
Yes,
Okay.
I love pizza really much.
Pizza on Friday.
Is it gonna be homemade fries? Is there homemade fries too?
No, fries are not food.
No, homemade.
Fries are just snacking.
Homemade fries?
No. फ्राइज तो आप वैसे भी खाती रहती है ना आलीन. फ्राइज कोई मील थोड़ी है.
थोड़ी है. Okay, then we will have
On Friday. What about pasta?
Pasta is so good. Yeah,
Done?
that's
Okay. On Friday, Anina gonna have
pasta.
Okay, now there are 2 more days, Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. I'll eat on Saturday.
Any type of sandwiches?
Which sandwich is it? Any sandwich?
Like it can be boiled egg sandwich, it can be veggie sandwich, it can be chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. I love chicken.
Chicken sandwich, but you have to eat it.
Okay, I promise. I already promised everything.
Okay. Chicken
And
sandwich. So there is Sunday. Now tell me.
the last one.
Yes, the last one. So on Sunday, what you
Can you tell
gonna?
me some options?
ऑप्शंस इधर तो आपकी बर्गर भी आ गया, पिज्ज़ा भी आ गया, पास्ता भी आ गया, एंड चिकन सैंडविच भी आ गया, नूडल्स भी आ गए. व्हाट एल्स?
Can you tell me options?
Options are like you can have if you want to eat something sweet, you can have what was that, pancake and or cake, your chocolate cake, and you can have some.
Chocolate cake.
Is it a meal?
You said chocolate cake. My chocolate cake.
Yeah, I know, but okay, you can have it on Sunday.
Yeah. What's it today? What's it today?
Today is your noodles.
Oh wait, I'm gonna eat noodle soup.
Okay, first you need to tell me that on Sunday you're gonna have chocolate cake.
What is today?
Chocolate cake.
Yeah, chocolate.
Done?
Yeah. Hello.
Okay.
Mama,
Yes.
what is today?
Wait.
What is today? What is today?
Can you please hold it?
What is today?
Noodles.
Noodles.
चॉकलेट केक. सो गाइस, आलीन की लिस्ट हो चुकी है कंप्लीट और आज हमारे पास है नूडल्स, कल हमारे पास है बर्गर्स, फिर उसके बाद होम फूड जो भी इसने वो जो भी घर में बना होगा ये खाएगी, और उसके बाद आ गया जी पिज्ज़ा, फिर आ गया जी पास्ता, और फिर आ गया चिकन सैंडविच, और फिर आ गया चॉकलेट केक. तो अब आलीन आज हम करेंगे नूडल्स एंड आलीन विल ईट नूडल्स. ओके?
Yes. Thank you everyone.
Aleen is so excited for this list.
Thank you everyone for clapping.
Listen. One more thing. हम ये लिस्ट लगाएंगे आलीन के रूम में so that उसे डेली जो है लिस्ट का आइडिया होता रहे कि आज मैंने क्या खाना है. रूम में आपके लगाएंगे या फ्रिज पे लगा दें इन द किचन?
I think in the fridge.
इन द फ्रिज?
Yes.
ओके, चलिए जी हम ये फ्रिज पे लगा देंगे और अब देखते हैं कि आलीन इस लिस्ट पे कितनी कायम रहती है. लेट्स ट्राई. आज का फूड हम बनाते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं कि आलीन विल. लेट्स ट्राई दिस फूड.
It's good.